Looking for a quick and delicious Sunday treat? This chocolate banana mug cake is ready in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 1 ripe banana, mashed, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar or honey, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon melted butter, a pinch of salt, and for extra goodness, some chocolate chips or nuts. First, mash your ripe banana in a mug until smooth. Now add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Give it a quick mix. Next, add sugar, baking powder, milk, melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Stir well until smooth and creamy. For an extra chocolatey bite, mix in some chocolate chips or nuts. Pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds on high. Watch as it rises into a soft, gooey chocolate cake. And it's done. Let's take it out. Look at that rich, fluffy texture. Add a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate, or some nuts for an extra treat. This chocolate banana mug cake is perfect for a lazy Sunday. Delicious, quick, and so easy. Now it's time to enjoy. Try this 3-minute dessert, and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick recipes. See you next time. Thanks for watching.